We're gonna take the bubbleweed with us. Are you serious? Oh look, the fuckers got out of my way. Oh, but what's that? An eel lizard? Here's the thing. Eel lizards are so agile, I can't, like, just fucking, like, try and get close. I need to lure him out. Why am I flinching? I don't get it. So because I killed the mud lizard, I'm permanently debuffed? Like, at least with the creature, you could figure out it was poisonous, even though the slug cat didn't flinch when taking bites out of it. Because you could coat your spears and have poison spears. So it made sense when I figured that out. I didn't even take a bite out of the mud lizard. And I assume this is gonna be permanent, so I'm about to go underwater and then die because I'm gonna flinch. It's gonna make me drop my bubbleweed and then I'm gonna immediately drown. Cause fuck me. Or that eel lizard will get me first, you know, whichever. Because the flinching also knocks me out of camo, my one defense. Great. Oh, I guess we're going down. Nope, I guess we're going up. Fuck it. Let's just get this over with. Where even's my karma flower? I had a karma flower. Would have been here, I guess. I don't know. I guess karma flowers don't exist anymore. Just... Man. There's so many cool things with this character. I don't know why the axolotl decided not to kill me, but you know, that's thanks. That's cool. Oh my... The fuck is that noise? Ah! Ow. Am I gonna die? Fuck you. Get out of my way. Oh my god. Let me get to the shelter. Please, game. What is this? Why is there a block there? Why? Why make it so difficult to get to this shelter? I just... Fuck. Does it count for Dragon Slayer? Survey says... No. Alright, cool. Alright, onward we go. Okay. I'm just gonna... Yeah, okay. You know, when I saw that this was gonna be an underwater area with all the bubbleweed, I was excited. I like submerged superstructure. I wanted to do fun swimmy things. This decided no fun swimmy things. Come on, Knight. Come on, buddy. Skip up. There we go. Y'all can go fuck yourselves. All of you. Nah. How long before I run into like an aquapede or something? What is that? Oh. Interesting. A flashbang. Okay, so I can go up the right. Okay. Okay. Go up here. Not sure what I'll be using this flashbang for, but I will find something eventually. Oh, there's a blue lizard coming for me. That'd be very strange if those coral creatures are weak to light. Wave world. Hey, Firebird. Yes. We're reigning in all the worlds. Well, multiple worlds. It's complicated. Game? Okay. Well, I guess I don't have a flashbang anymore. Hope I don't need that. Wasn't letting me pick up the damn bubbleweed. That was kind of odd. Yeah, all of you can go fuck yourselves. Scream all you want. As soon as I figure out a way... As soon as I figure out a way to kill y'all, your days are numbered. Yo. Oh, it's an axolotl. Oh, that's gonna be a problem soon. Not if I drown first. Whee! Please spare the lizards. Oh, it's not the lizards I'm gonna be killing tons of. It's those screaming snails. Those fuckers right there. Doesn't even do shit. I want to kill them so badly, you have no idea. I used to think 9 familial extermination was a bit extreme, but you know what? I'm starting to come around. Wait a minute. Where's that rock? Maybe I can knock the gooey duck down. No, I can't because it's over water. They're annoying, yeah? Yeah. I do not have anything nice to say about those things. I would like karma reinforcement. The gooey ducks are also a nice touch. Nom, 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 nom. Delicious. This a dead end room? Yep. I guess I go down over there. Also maybe go up. Starting to wonder if we're even gonna see either iterator. Nope, can't go down there. Noted. Okay. I guess it's down and right then. Just going over here is a wall. Go away. Go away. Fucking toot your horn. I don't give a shit. There's my spear. Alright, we need to swim up. No fucking way. Oh my god. They just keep getting worse. Oh, let me up, please. I need a resupply. Oh. Okay, what's off to the right? Nothing! Alright, good job, Dreki. Uh-huh, cool. Ooh. I guess that means there's just that pipe back the way I came. I can't get up there. Oh, they're blocking that other pipe that I haven't gone through. Great. Oh. Fucking seriously? Great. Better get out of there before they fucking trap me. Oh, is this cycle over? It is! So I get to go die. That's fine. We wasted a lot of time. We know where to go now. Try and do a bit more exploration. No, never mind. Just... Guess we won't do more exploration. I guess I can go down and left from here, maybe? There we go. Okay. Kind of crawl up here, I guess, maybe? Thankfully, we've got bubbleweed. So the water doesn't matter. We can just keep on exploring until we drown. Uh-oh. I think we're dead. Womp womp. Oh, that means my karma flower is super far away, too. Oh, well. Who needs karma when you can just keep dying over and over and over? Okay, let's try this again. And we drop down here. Cool. Get our bubbleweed, grab our spear. We are back in Party Town. Population up. Ooh, that's cool. I like that kind of fan thing that's going on. Ooh. Alright, we can get a replacement karma flower. I like that for me. If I can even frickin' get it. The whole point of a karma flower is to provide safety. Why would you require a spear to get a karma flower? Don't recall any of the other karma flowers in base game or slugcats needing a spear to get to. Certainly curious how other people's sessions have been. I mean, at least this place is pretty nice about how frequently it has shelters. Just unfortunate I took a wrong turn and ended up not getting there. Is this gonna launch me? Yes, it is. Okay. I thought it would. Glad to know my thoughts were right. Funny mask graffiti there. Oh, now a popcorn plant and I can have full satiation. Where's my shelter now, huh? Ay, ay, ay. Are you about to hit a gate? That's what's up. Shelter that way. Oh, oh. You don't say. Whee! Okay. It does put me back over here, so I can shelter. I like that. Assuming I don't accidentally yeet myself. Alright. Good. Awesome. I like this. Look how haunting it is. Ugh. All right, where to go now? Because this is a dead end. Oh, I can go down over there. No, I can't. Can see if there's a pipe right there. Otherwise, wrong button again. As we go back to here, we go down there, maybe. Down and left. All right. Got a plan of action, baby. See if there's a place to travel. Ah, there is not. I see. That makes this whole detour a little strange then, but okay, whatever. Can't go any higher. All right. Down, left, down. Okay. Doing okay, doing okay. Take this path, preserve some of our bubbleweed. Certainly a lot easier when I can see the way I'm going. No! No, 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 no! These fuckers. I can't move. Go away. Fuck off. Wait, I can't even get up there. Okay, so I guess I could go back, down, left. Gotcha. Great. I go down there? No. Noted. Okay, now I definitely need a new bubbleweed. Yikes. This one's toast. I'm not gonna get it. I'm just going to perish. Nope. If I'm gonna die somewhere I can get my karma flower. We're not fucking this up again. I'm just gonna drown right here real quick. Okay. Hey, Pink! Welcome to Act 3, Looper! Oh. Sephrin? I hope you arrived to Act 3 sane. Welcome, 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 everybody from Pank's Palace and Collaboratory. All of you wonderful, amazing personages, comrades, colleagues, and critters, one and all. Hello. Pank, I know it is a whole lot of... why did you grab one of the explosive cans? Actually, you know what? Give me more explosive cans. I need more of those. We really could use a lot more explosives. I know how hard it is to stream, Pank. So if you got a raid and run, that is no scale off of my tail. But at the very least, I implore you, at the minimum,
you like jazz?
Do some jazz. Wiggle around. Shake it. Oh yeah. Take it away, sax man. You know, leave a piss, take a water, you know. I recommend grabbing some water from like some nice, cool, refreshing. You definitely want to refresh your golems regularly. Otherwise, they kind of start to get a bit rank. Really lowers morale. But also, you should refresh yourself with some nice, filtered, clean wawa. If y'all are coming over from Pank's place and you plumb forgot to give a follow, let me do a follow check for you. If you aren't following, I just made it really easy for you because I clicked a button, you just click a button, and then you can check out Pank next time they go live, as well as their wonderful, amazing people all over there. If y'all arriving do not know me, I am Dreki Draconic Serpent, Flightless Dragon, or should be where I'm on the internet. Usually, I'm a bit more live 2D, more of a feathered serpentine form. But, related to the game we're playing, Rain World, the Watcher DLC released this morning, and I am marathoning it until completion. And we have been going for 10 hours, and my tracker died. So we are now in PNG mode. So this is the Dreki Slugcat character. That Chibi Geek is the artist's name who made it. But hello, I see a lot of wonderful people. Uzi, we'll use this. Linya, Madame, Fran, Tolpanzer. Welcome back from foraging. Valentine, Mental Marsupial. Hello. Because we are playing, on release day, if you have any inclination to Rain World and or The Watcher, this is your heads up that obviously, since I'm marathoning it to completion, there's going to be spoilers. Spoilers, playing a game is spoilers for your own playing of the game. Shit's fucking weird. I am getting a little tilted at some elements, but we are persevering. We are trying to figure shit out. We are dying, we are surviving, and then we are dying again. But you know what? That's Rain World for you sometimes. If you want to preserve your virgin mind from the Watcher, I am going to be starting soon. Thank you for stopping on by. I hope to see you some other time. But those of you who don't give a shit about spoilers, don't really play Rain World, it's not really your kind of thing, because it is pretty brutal. Feel free to sit back, relax, grab some snacks, be ready for me to scream whenever I perish in a very unexpected way. Also, the screen is filled with all sorts of Rain World silliness. I assure you, it's not usually this cluttered. I do need to get the Dreki lizard unfrozen again. I don't know why it keeps freezing, but I just flicker it and then he goes back to grooving. Wonderful. All right. Let's go get our karma flower back now that I drowned, and then we can figure out where the fuck to go. Ah! Nope, did not mean to do that. Where's my fucking karma flower? Is it underwater? Huh, that's a first. No. Karma flower first. Visibility second. Okay. We are G to G. Wait for that axolotl to pass by. Kind of strangely struggling in the water. Usually its strongest suit. Yeah, we're just gonna do a runner. And then we will pass by this eel lizard. Okay. I remember it's this left area is where we needed to go. Okay, yes. And then I want to try to go down. Go swap for some fresh bubbleweed. Remember, smoke one bubbleweed at a time. It's just kind of a waste to double hand them. I am going in a cycle. We've already been here. All right. We try and go further down. No. Yes. Need to go left. Okay. Well, this bubble weed is basically used up. That's the downside of needing to, like, check our dang map. Just run errands to your Sherlock. No problem. I hope you have a very uncomplicated errand running. And... No! Fuck you! No power! Unfortunately, the gnome power did not let me destroy these things. These things are the bane of my existence. Okay. All right. I see how it is. Flinging cats at me. Is that... Okay. Those are some salamanders. Okay, that scared me. I thought that was a red lizard, and I was about to freak out. Ah! Ah! First you hit me with a cat, then you yeet me? Damn, that's rude. Okay, downpipe I think is new, so let's do that. Okay. What I like about this area is they give you frequent places to restock your bubbleweed and check your fucking map. It is very well considered. Okay. All right. Just move over here. Sidle on up. Already close to it, so let's check uppies before we check righty. Karma flower. All right, we're gonna leave that and make a note. Okay, we made it. Get the creepy fucking laughter again. We found him. Where are you fucking Majora's Mask ask fucking... You over to the left? Probably, so I'm gonna check the right first. A shelter? Interesting. I'm going to take it. That seems like a good idea. Yeah, we have no food in us, but we saved. Do I need to swim to them? Oh, of course. Yeah, that makes sense. And then I come up from the bottom. Ellipsis. Got nothing to say to me? Huh? Huh? Ah! Oh! Where am I going? Where am I? Why did it bring an eel lizard with me? Why did it bring a pink lizard with me? Why is the screen super fucked? Um, I think the game broke. Yeah, I don't think that was supposed to happen. Let me just, hide out for a second. Okay, cool. I don't like that it grabbed that karma flower. Because that means, we don't have a backup that I wanted to save a few areas later. I think there might have just been too many things transported and it glitched things out. See, look at all that bullshit. Wow, speaking of bullshit, look at that. Wow, amazing. Wow, 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 wow. I like how I have like an after image. Usually the enemies are stunned for a pretty long while, but this zonker dude will just be doodling his zonker. Oh my god. Hold on. What if he holds me in the zone and it transports? Hold on. We might be saved. We might be saved. Survey says... Come on, Blue. Come on. Just a little bit more. Yeah, just slow the spin. You know, just walk a little bit more southeast. Come on, buddy. All right, fuck this. We'll just reset. Oh no. Oh no. No. No way. No way. No, 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 no. No shot. Oh no. It saved on warp. Oh no. No, it's gonna zoop back. Okay, I'm not stunned. Okay. Okay, I'm I'm just gonna go down here real quick. Mistake. Mistake. I made a huge mistake. I should not have gone down there. Okay, I didn't die, so we got that going for us. Okay, so the actual problem with this is that every time I warp, it's making me more and more exhausted. So I get less and less of my special. So this is bad. I was able to get the karma flower. One eel lizard's gone. Okay. We're good, chat. I just need to save right there on the other side of the portal when I have no fucking food. Shit. Okay, we can do this. We can find food, right, chat? That's food over there. It's a bat. We love bats. They're delicious. Come on, come through the pipe. Okay, that's one bat. Okay, I need like 4. Of all the times to need to save, like, I need a save. Oh, there's a karma flower. Okay, this region looks cool. Motherfucker! Fuck off. Oh, that was a spider, not a drop wig. Oh, there's a spider. Come on, give me some frickin' food, man. I'm hungry. I feel like that wind will buffet us across. But again, I don't want to do any risky things until I can get some eepy skeeging. I eep on my skeege until I honk shoe. Guess maybe we go further left and see if there's more bats where that came from. Simply yeet the spider. Also, I feel like we're getting more and more blurry. Okay, this is stand-onable. That's what I thought. It's not a pipe for me. Okay, there's wind. That's a death plane down there. Why can't I go over here? It's a dead end. Killing me, game. Ah! Literally, the game's trying to kill me. I have no choice, and I must scream. Yeah, there was a thing that said something about a karma flower would be consumed. I'm gonna see if I can starve in a shelter and be okay.